Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with both safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Kia Stinger GT2 in Snow White Pearl. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO brakes, blind spot collision avoidance assistance, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 5,000 miles on the odometer, 10.25-inch touchscreen, navigation, Harman Kardon premium audio system, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.3-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 300798.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.